meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you to tell you I need you, to tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets, ask me your questions. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles, chasing our tails. It's only silence apart. Nobody said it was easy. Oh, it's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one said it would be so hard. I'm going back to the start. I was just guessing the numbers and figures. I was putting the puzzles apart. The questions of science of progress, but not speak as loud as my heart. So tell me you love me. Come back and hold me. Oh, when I rush to the start, running in circles, or coming up tails, or coming back as we are. Nobody said it was easy. Oh, it's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. Oh, let's go back to the start. Okay, your turn, please.